Welcome to a guided meditation session. I'm Vidhika and I'll guide you in today's session. This session is specially to help center you when you're feeling sick or low. I invite you to find yourself in a comfortable position of your choice. If you're sitting, make sure you're not strained or arched and be at ease. As you allow yourself to relax, focus on your breath. Notice the in and out of the breath. Notice the rise and fall of the chest or your stomach. Take your awareness inside of your body. Turning your attention inward and doing a quick scan of your body. Maybe you notice that there is some discomfort when you breathe. Notice if there is any discomfort, any sign of infection, or aches, or pains, blockages, excessive heat, or cold, or anything else. Come back to the forehead. Imagine there is some soothing air brushing your forehead and starting to soothe your discomfort physically or emotionally. As muscles relax, so do your emotions. Forehead is where the frustration or noise resides because of the sickness. Breathe and let the negative attention to transform it to positive feelings. Simply observe and notice what is true for you in this moment. Observe and allow yourself to just notice the sensations. Notice how you feel and what happened inside your body as you allow your attention to remain on your breath. The purpose of this practice is to notice when you get lost in your thoughts and start over and over and over again. Meditation is simply like bicep curls for your brain. It is a radical act of focusing on what's happening right now. Notice where there is any activity or unsettled feelings. Allow your breath to shift into the areas of an anxiety or discomfort. And again, simply allow and observe. Find a place where you feel your breath most distinct and clear. Bring your attention there and rest. As you continue breathing, feel all the sensations of one breath at a time without any concerns for the next one. Take a few moments to simply stay with your breath and observe the expansion and contraction in your body. And as you focus on the rise and fold and the in and out of the breath, notice the quietness and stillness that is growing inside of you. Images, sounds, or sensations arise if you can stay connected. Let them flow by and focus on breathing. If some thoughts or sensations come up that is really strong and pulls you away, don't worry about it. The most important moment in the whole process is the next moment after you have been distracted. That's the place where you practice letting go from whatever has taken you away and continue focusing on your breath and keep repeating it again and again and again. Distraction is not a failure. Letting it go and beginning again is the whole process. Each time you discover yourself distracted, it is an amazing opportunity to let go and start all over again. As you send a clear message to your body that you want this infection virus out of your body safe and as soon as possible. Breathe for a couple of moments here. Maybe just pause to notice if anything feels different. You might feel energetic and your health returning back to you. So now, as you stay with your breath in the present moment, simply allow the stillness to gently expand. This moment is all yours. When you feel ready to return to your day, bring your consciousness back to the present moment. Maybe move your neck gently left to right, slowly moving your fingers and toes. Open your eyes very slowly and gently. And take this time to be awakened fully in your own time.